It's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And I just wanted to start off today by showing you how beautiful yesterday's painting dried up. Just want to show you this, how gorgeous those piggies are. And yeah, just wanted to give you a peek of that. And today I'm going to use some of my leftover paints, and I have a 12-inch round here, and I'm going to be doing a ring pour, and I have a lot of leftovers here. And this here is a concoction of a whole bunch of different paints. I have no idea exactly what's in here, but I thought I would use it as a base, and do a ring cup, a straight cup. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm gonna start filling up my cup here. And this is Pebeo Iridescent Green Blue. Start out with a little of that. And I have Golden's Quinacridone Nickel Hazel Gold. I have a little bit of Liquitex Soft Body. This is Muted Violet. And I have Pebeo Orange Yellow. And I have Master's Touch Chrome Oxide Green. And this is mixed with a little bit of 24 karat gold. And then I have a little Master's Touch Light Coral. And I have Blickrylic Phalo Green. And a little bit of Josonja's Napthol Crimson, and that's mixed with yellow light Hansa. Through that one more time. pour a little of this in the middle. And I'll use the rest as my flow extender. And let's give that a, here we go. Let that sit a second while I close up my paints here. Okay, everyone, I'm going to call this a day. I apologize for the glare. I did not see that until the end. And I really am sorry. I'm going to have to find a way to do this without that glare. But I also, after all was said and done, took that snake out of the middle. I was not happy with that either. But in the pictures, in the beginning, that's where you see there's no snake there. It's gone. So, yeah, please give me a comment below. Also, I just wanted to remind you that tomorrow I have a few friends that are in that summer, I think it's called Summer Lovin' collaboration. I'm going to leave all their links down below. And I would love if you can give them a visit. I'll be visiting them tomorrow. And next week, next Sunday, it'll be a week from today, we have our July 4th Pourade, with 8 amazing artists. And yeah, please give us a visit. We're gonna love seeing you all next week for the 4th of July. Okie doke. So this is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. And please wait for the close-up. Thank you for coming. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.